Question 7 is another one where it doesn't give you much information other than what is the mass of a molecule of water. So it's important to note that it says molecule and not mole, and we need to think of a few other things that we can do to get the right answer. Now there's two ways of doing this one. You need to know what the composition of a water molecule is. So if I just draw it out, so it has two hydrogen molecules attached and then an oxygen molecule here, H2O. And H has an atomic mass of 1. H has an atomic mass of 1, and oxygen has an atomic mass of 16. So we add the atomic masses together, so that's 1 plus 1 plus 16. And that gets us 18. And then that atomic mass, you can relate that to the mass of oxygen by timesing by the atomic mass unit. So times 18 by AMU, and an atomic mass unit is about 1.6, about 1.6 times 10 to the minus 27. So 18 times 1.6 times 10 to the minus 27 gets us something that's about roughly 3 times 10 to the minus 26 kilograms. And if you want that in grams, then that's 3 times 10 to the minus 23 grams. Now, if for whatever reason you can't remember what an atomic mass unit is, if you're in an exam or trying to solve one of these problems, then you can do it a different way, which is looking at the mass of a mole, adding all these things up at the top here. Also gives you the mass in grams, not atomic mass unit. It gives you the mass in grams of 1 mole of H2O, so 1 mole of water. So if we do it second method, then 18 grams is the mass of a mole. And then we can find the mass of an individual molecule by dividing by the number of atoms in a mole, which is Avogadro's number. So that's 18 divided by 6.022 times 10 to the 23, and again that gets us roughly 3 times 10 to the minus 23 grams. So both ways get the same answer, and you can check them on your calculator if you're unsure. Yeah, if you know that adding up the atomic masses of the elements that make up the molecule gets you 18 grams, which is the molar mass, or adding it up gets the atomic mass in atomic mass units, and you know what an atomic mass unit is, then you can quite easily solve the problem.